Hello viewers, this is Rajan Singh and here I present the cancer detection app where you can detect the what is the percentage of what is the probability, yeah, what is the percentage of cancer in the specific image. So first of all I show you the how we trained our model. So first of all open the Jupyter notebook. Wait a minute. So first of all we come here and see what we trained the model and what the image we use during the training of this model. So first of all open the untitled dot ip winby. This is the and here is our go back and this is our code which is used to train the model. I not explain this is too much long, so directly come to this part and here we train. Here we doing the training process. So first of all we take 10 images as cancer image and one image is non-cancer. So this is the cancer images, pre-processed images. We we firstly pre-process the image and we can enter this image. Then the probability of cancer is come in form of percentage. So you can see that this is the image we take it from the limbs and this is a cancer image above. This is and here is non-cancer image. Just like this is a photo and you can see a total images 11, training sample 8 and testing sample 3, and this is our CNN convolutional neural network um, method and algorithm we use, and we use epoch 15 epoch to train our model. And here is our test the image means what the percentage come from this image. So from this image number 1, the percentage of cancer is 53.60, and come to image number 2, here is 57.630 63 percentage, sorry. And come to image 4. So image 4 is 55.59%. So how we train our model, you can see that, and come to website. So this website is on localhost, you can see that. So first of all come here and click, and this is our UI. Just like this is a simple UI which I made by Streamlit, which is a Python framework. So first of all you can come to this part and select the image. So I select this image and click on analyze image. So after clicking on, you can see that 53.65 percentage of this image means cancer probability of this image and this image is a microscopic image which I take it from lab of Delhi AIMS, and we are applying for some research center to get the image. So you can see that the probability is 53.65%. So I choose another image. So image number 10. So click on analyze image and this for 56.90 percentage, and here you can see that a warning moderate probability of cancer, further examination is recommended. So this is our simple, not a simple, this is a very complex website which I made, and our team continuously work on this, and and you can see that here how we train our model. So thanks